How to hide followers on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide followers on Facebook. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up your Facebook application. You should get an interface like this. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right again. Once you do so, you'll be headed into this page. If you scroll down below, you can see preferences and various options. You can see under audience and visibility, there you want to find out the option that says followers and public content. You'll find it under audience and visibility. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the first option that says who can follow me. If you set it to public, anybody will be able to follow you. If you set it to friends, only your friends will be able to follow you. Similarly, you can see the second option, who can see your followers on your timeline. You can either choose public if you want, and if you just want to hide your followers from everybody, you want to simply tap on only me option, and only you will be able to see your followers and no one else will be able to see your followers. Similarly, if you want to set it to friends, you can set it to friends as well, and down below under it you can see who can see the people, pages and list you follow. You can simply tap on it and you can change the option as well. So this is the way you can hide your followers on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.